A Children's, Family, and Women's Peace Organization Guide. Chapter 1. Children's, Family, and Women's Peace Organizations. Children and Family Peace Organizations 1. Children'sDefense.org, Children's Defense Fund. LearningPeace.com, Learning Peace. tlpeace.org.au, Teaching and Learning for Peace Foundation. Babyblock.org, Tacoma, Washington. This family activist network publishes a baby block journal and maintains a website. cmdnet.org, Center for Ministry Development trains leaders in family, youth, and parish ministry, promotes social justice. kidpeace.org, the Children's Peace Pavilion, Independence, Missouri, at the headquarters of the Community of Christ. cfm.org, Christian Family Movement. kidspeace.org, Kids Peace treatment programs and educational services to help families help kids anticipate and avoid crisis whenever possible. kidsaspeacemakers.org, Kids as Peacemakers reduce violence and foster the development of child-friendly communities. lffp.org, Little Friends for Peace, Mt. Rainier, Maryland. Little Friends for Peace encourages nonviolence in children and families. nonviolentpeaceforce.org. witnessforpeace.org, committed to nonviolence and led by faith and conscience. Children and Family Peace Organizations 2. Children's Action Network. childrensactionnetwork.org. Dedicated to empowering children and youth to heal. Children of the Earth. children-of-the-earth.org. Children of the Earth is an educational non-profit and ethical NGO of the United Nations, which promotes global consciousness and cooperation, multicultural understanding, spiritual values, ethical living skills and social responsibility. Creation Guardians. creationsguardians.com. Helping people. Family and parenting. family.com. FuturePoint. futurepoint.org. FuturePoint is a 501c3 public charity based in Ft. Lauderdale, Florida. Empowering teenagers through programs that educate, entertain, motivate, and inspire young people to become, accomplish and achieve anything they desire. Generation Indigo. genindigo.com. A cyber home for indigos of all ages to explore, expand, and be empowered. Global Youth Action Network. YouthLink.org. The Global Youth Action Network is an international collaboration among youth and youth-serving organizations to share information, resources, and solutions. Healthy Kids. healthykids.com. International Youth Advocates. GregoryRSmith.com. International Youth Advocates promotes principles of peace and understanding among young people throughout the world. International Youth Cooperation. IOCO.org. International cooperation between the youth in such fields as conflict resolution, human rights, intercultural communication, politics, international relations, development cooperation, and environmental conservation. International Youth Foundation. IYFnet.org. Independent, international, non-governmental organization dedicated to the positive development of children and youth throughout the world. ICARE. solutians.co.uk/icare/index.htm. Creating tomorrow's future today by empowering our future leaders now. Indigo Children. indigochild.com. Metagifted Children Resource Center. metagifted.org. Indigo Children Network. indi-go.org. Indigo Foundation Quito, Ecuador. Kids Talk Foundation. kidstalk.org. Palestinian Youth Association for Leadership. Piolara.org. Piolara stands for Palestinian Youth Association for Leadership and Rights Activation. Pioneers of Change. Pioneersofchange.net, global learning community of committed, young people. Psykids.net for psychic, clairvoyant, clairsentient, intuitive spiritually awakened children and multidimensionally aware children, aka Children of the Blue Ray, Indigo Children. GordonTraining.com Parent Effectiveness Training. United Nations of Youth Foundation. UNOE.org. World Youth Service and Enterprise. WYSE-NGO.org. WISE programs take the form of 2-week intensive leadership programs that are conducted by a team of highly trained international educators. Young Peace Builders, Ghana. UNOE.org. Mission: YPB and Ghana exist to ensure peaceful coexistence of the people of Ghana and Africa as a whole by formulating and implementing youth-led peace and conflict prevention policies. Youth in Action. Peacechild.org. Youth Venture. youthventure.org/home.asp. Youth Venture empowers young people to create and launch their own enterprises. Project Happiness. projecthappiness.com. Women's Peace Organizations. willpfuss.org, books. soulforce.org. reconcilingworks.org. now.org. feminist.org. iwpr.org, Institute for Women's Policy Research, IWPR. women-praying-for-peace.org, Women Praying for Peace. womeninblack.net, Women in Black, International Peace Network. womeninblack.org.uk, womeninblack.uk.wilpf.gn.apc.org, Women's International League for Peace. globalfundforwomen.org. The Global Fund for Women is a grant-making foundation supporting women's human rights organizations around the world. Mideast Coalition of Women for Peace. COALITIONOFWOMEN4PEACE.org. Jewish and Palestinian Women, Citizens of Israel.